Okay, so here we are. We've started and our procedure writing. You have written up a plan using a template which I provided you with, and you did very well. So now it is time for us to get our recipes ready for a recipe book. Okay, our own 5th and 6th class recipe book, and that's pretty exciting. So what you need to do now is this. You need to open up a Word document or WordPad or whatever writing program you have on your laptop. Then, okay, you're going to do up your recipe. Maybe you'll do it like a table. Okay, maybe you'll insert a few pictures. Maybe you'll make the dish and put a photograph of that in. Maybe you put a picture of yourself in. Okay, and you're going to email this to me. You're going to ensure that there are no spelling mistakes. So you're going to have to ask someone to look over it with you. Okay, because if I start editing a lot of people's work, it will take away from the meaning of it. And this is your piece, and you should be proud of this. Okay? So do it now to a high, high standard. Okay? And then you're going to email it to me at stlukesclasses@gmail.com. stlukesclasses@gmail.com. And I really look forward to it, Don't be afraid to put in borders. Make it your own. I suppose one thing I would say is just be mindful of the text size, okay? So just one page each, okay? So that we don't have something going over a few pages. Because I think it would be a really nice thing to do and it would be great to get them all together in the end, okay? And I'd like that to be in for noon on Friday if possible, okay? So that gives you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to get your recipe up to scratch, okay? Now, I suppose if parents are very busy, maybe you'd have to do it over the weekend with them so that it will be ready on Monday. But ideally, I'd love them to be in sooner than that so I can start working from my end with it too. All right. So, look, we'll see how it goes, and I'm looking forward to it. Well done again to you all.